In this Argos Support video, we will show you how to factory reset a PlayStation 5. Please note, this will erase all data, as if starting from new. If you have any data you want to keep, we recommend backing this up first. From the home screen, use the D-pad or control stick to scroll up and along to Settings. Press X to select Settings. Then, scroll down to System and press X on the controller. Select System Software by pressing X on the controller. Then, scroll down to Reset Options and press X. Scroll down to reset your console and press X on the controller. Please note, this will delete everything from the console to reset to factory settings. If you would like to proceed, scroll right and press X on the controller. For more help, please visit argos-support.co.uk.